Episode 37. So today as such the major task on site was basically finishing the top coat of the waterproofing, which was covered yesterday, and the curing of it. Apart from that, there was the debris which were piled up. They were about to be disposed of, so that was the task in hand. So we are waiting for the tiles to reach on site, so the preparation for the tiling is going on. Hence today as such, it was majorly the curing of the waterproofing, which I had shown yesterday, was done, and rest it was basically the debris disposal, the task of debris disposal, which was uh, done throughout the day. Now here, yesterday what I have shown you was the brickwork was removed below the window area. In the bathroom as such, we were just testing the plumbing lines, which was already completed, since now the plastering also has been done, so the final check, plumbing check, was carried out today. In the master bedroom also, the plastering curing, the waterproofing curing, and similarly in this bathroom, the plastering of the pipes, since the testing was to be carried out, after the testing the plaster filling of the pipes was completed. So you can even see the conduiting for this bathroom also has been started. Today, a first lot of the wall and floor tiles for the master bathroom has also been delivered on site. For this project, we have done a combination of few vendors. So the first lot was delivered today. Thank you for being with me in this journey. Do like, comment, and share. And stay tuned for the upcoming progress. Bye bye.